Hello, this is Garden Talk Jamaican. Just doing a little test harvest of my sweet potatoes that I planted in the first week of May. This may be Japanese or Korean. I'm not sure. I'm hoping that it's Korean. It looks Korean. Anyway, it's almost there. Nice size. But I'm going to give them another 2.5 weeks and see another test what they look like. I could start harvesting now, but some are going to be smaller, I know. So I'm going to be leaving them for another 2.5 weeks. Here you go. Gonna have this one today. Thank you for watching. May the Lord bless the work of your hands, and I appreciate you. Thank you for subscribing also. Have a wonderful day. Bye.